BC riding community. Got a new package here from Fort 9. Gonna unbox it right now. This is a V-Strom 650 center stand from Motech. There we go. These are all parts that came with the center stand kit, and unfortunately most of it's in German, so I'm gonna have to figure this out on my own. The Motech kit didn't even come with proper tools. They assumed that you had a 14mm hex socket. So happens I had one from my previous bike when I did suspension, but if you didn't have one, you would have to go to the hardware store and pick one up. Seriously, guys. Seriously. Gotta use one of these. Seriously, guys. Seriously. Any minutes of trial and error, I got spring on. Stand seems to be working. Yeah. Center stands on, bike is upright. Move the kickstand, and it's standing on its own.